today.
Hey, buddy.
The director of
What is it? Aeronautical cinematography or something?
Balls Deep Media.
Balls Deep Media. All right, guys, we're ripping the crap out of all these cars, taking all the metals off for powder, and plastic off this one too. So
It's gonna be an unexpected color combination. That's for sure.
unexpected. What the hell is that supposed to mean?
What? I don't think people would guess the color you're gonna go with.
I don't know why this thing is so zoomed in.
Hi, Noah.
You guys will be done already.
There we go. Now I fixed it.
Oh, Jake, check this out.
Done with what?
Never get to sleep until 10 o'clock.
It's not a 5-minute job, unfortunately.
10 o'clock?
That's what I'm saying, dude. I was like, why does it look like you just woke up? He's like, because I did. It's fucking 11.
LMU TV. Never heard of them before. These are the ones I bought for the. I'm just said screw it.
All right. Well, there's a lot of work, and I got 2 cars to do, so we'll get after it.
They were like $3.99.
A nut on the backside of every single bolt on the entire freaking car, dude.
Nothing's threaded.
Nothing is threaded
You know
on
what?
these.
Wait. The guards for the brake line were threaded.
Oh, yeah. It's the 3 or 4 Torx bits that hold that on. But we're getting there. Almost one side down. 2 more bolts. Exciting.
Let's go.
It's exciting! So I actually don't know how I can't even think right now. Easy, these wheel bearings are supposed to be the spin, but it might be a good idea to get some new ones because things are pretty nasty. They're stock, and I'm surprised these stock axles are holding up too. Just rust, Pismo rust.
Dude, they've been through
however many miles are on this freaking car.
Oregon, Glamis, Pismo. Glamis like twice.
Yeah,
Pismo.
like more than twice, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 or 3 times.
Been through a lot of crap with these. And then these ones break
Those ones shear.
after 120 miles, dude. Carbohydrate. Alright, well, I'm gonna get this crap off. arms off. Rear is done for now.
Yeah, totally done.
Looks silly as heck.
Wasn't too bad. Now you know how to do it.
I mean, it's just bolts, not that confusing. But it's off. Got Mr. Shockman himself.
You know it.
Pass out suspensions.
That's how it's
All right, we got the shocks off the front. Now,
blackout
Oh, yeah.
suspensions. Dude, I got it. Blackout suspensions. Hell yeah. Check them out.
Yeah, he does one service. He will take your shocks off of the
your
off of the
springs
shock
off
bodies.
the shock.
Springs off the shock body. That's it. Not gonna do any valving. Not gonna do any staging for you. Just he'll take it off for you. $100 an hour. $100 an hour.
Or beer.
So we're not gonna tell you guys what colors and stuff we're gonna do. We're gonna leave that for some sort of a reveal, but you'll know what we're doing.
It's gonna be a drastic difference.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty slick.
I think it'll look good, and it won't look like. Neither of our cars are gonna look like anybody else's cars. And that's the.
I just felt like this one looked too stock right now. Like they just.
Everybody, yeah, you know, most people get a Turbo S, and those Turbo S's were blue or red. So everybody either has a red Razor or a blue Razor.
Yeah,
Nothing wrong with
exactly.
that. But it's like if you're already doing the powder coat that we're doing through, you know, the guys we're doing it through, who are willing to do what they're willing to do for us, just do everything.
Get her done.
Just all at once, one straight shot.
Yep. So I'm gonna rip these fronts off.
You're gonna need new bushings. I bet they're cheap.
They're probably cheap.
Ew.
Polaris and cheese are not two things that go together.
What do you mean? They go together like peanut butter and jelly, dude.
No, not when you have to buy the parts.
Well, yeah, but manufacturer goes together like peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, dude.
Will you ruin it?
Yeah.
Just beat that sucker out of there.
It's
That'll buy me a new one.
chipped to shit.
Well, one side's off. It's kind of dark. I don't know. It's hard to see,
Hey,
but all the arms are
Bad
off.
habit. We need juice. We need
You
parts.
shouted him out. Yeah, we need bushings.
Bushings and maybe a ball joiner 7. And
Part breaker Jake's over here.
No, I have a bunch of extra. Hey, that box with those A-arms, I have a bunch of extras in there.
Bushings?
It's all in those things, yeah.
Yeah, but they're in the A arm,
Yeah.
so you're gonna might run into the same problem, but we'll see.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work.
Just beat it till it breaks out, then I guess. There's probably a way to get it out. But...
I don't know.
Jeez, that thing is screwed up. I can see it in the camera.
Just, are you sure that comes out?
It's plastic. It's gonna melt that powder.
Oh, it's
There's a special ring in this end. Look at this. How the
you gonna do that? Look at that. Look at this little clip. That's why it won't come out. How the f you gonna get that out of there?
Probably not supposed to.
And now they're gonna come right out.
That's wild, really.
Right there.
Huh.
Well, we know now. You guys all learned something.
Yeah, there you go. There's a plastic, or not plastic, there's a clip in there.
Oh, hey, look at that.
Pops right out.
Yep.
Well, maybe you won't mess the next one up.
The more you know.
Yeah, we need to replace that.
Look at that.
It's losing some surface area, some
That's
surface
not
contact.
too bad.
Just need a new little clip stand.
Yeah, clipping that. Right, I'm gonna get this out of boyos.
Yep.
Same old Bobby, same old beat. Yeah, they got nothing over me. Same old cuts, same old streets. But yeah, they got nothing over me. And easy come and easy go. I'm sure I told you so. They just want you for your door. But I'm sure I told you so. Well, you're dead, dead, Joe. Feeling the way you're alive. You feel a little inside. Spend your evening searching for another life. And yeah, I think you are in your sights. Well, easy, easy. There's no need to take that toll. Well, easy. I'm on the telephone.
Hey, it's tore all the way down, dude. Plastic sock. Whole thing is naked though. There's all our painting. We got Sticker Man over here taking shit off.
Sticker man, Mark. Yeah, being a Jew, this stuff's just. If it's been on there for any length of time, it just,
Yeah, it does not want to come off.
No, I mean,
That's been on there since
thankfully,
we bought
I
it, so.
spent $30 on a Craftsman heat gun a year ago, and I don't remember what I bought it for, but it's useful right now because it's cold out here, and this gets keeps it hot.
So we get that one's pretty much done for now. We're starting to take apart Patriot,
All this work will be worth it.
yeah, it'll look pretty slick.
I mean,
dude.
it'll be worth it in the end.
It'll look pretty slick. Look at that. That's factory right there, dude. Factory Craftsman.
Craftsman, the Lowe's brand. It works.
We gotta tear this car apart now.
Nah, but
Back
at least
to
we
it.
don't have to take the shocks, like the springs off, any of that.
Yeah.
And
it's not
you've
as bad.
already done the rear on your car. You know how to. I mean, it shouldn't take too long.
Get
And then we're
after
done.
Yep.
Then all
We said we
we're
have to put it right together.
waiting on Cody.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Director of Aeronautical Aviation and
Cinematography.
I keep trying to say engineering, and I don't know why.
Oh. Alright, I'm gonna get after it. It's the next day. Pretty close to being done with teardowns. We got this one completely torn apart. Plastics getting painted, everything getting coated, powder coated. Some sweet colors coming. I mean, we went completely deep and took everything off.
Yeah, Seabreeze needed everything done.
Big facelift. This guy here's getting its
All the hard.
all the hard parts powder coated pretty much. Yeah, got the front ends torn apart on this one, so we just got the back end left.
Where'd Jake put the
The what?
the caliper guards for mine? I wonder where he put
Oh, I don't know if he put them in a pile or something.
I don't know, I'm not seeing them.
But yeah, this one's gonna look pretty slick too. Got new radius rods, so we're not gonna be using the
The
stock ones. Thank God.
Yeah, no. It's like if we're gonna do all this powder coating, might as well get better radius rods now.
Exactly. Yeah. So just got a little bit to do back here, so we're gonna get after it. Some sweet time lapse footage coming.
Get her torn apart.
Yep.
Gotta hit this, gotta hit this, gotta hit this, gotta hit this rocker. Gotta hit. I gotta hit this rocker. Gotta hit this, gotta hit this, gotta hit this, gotta hit this rocker.
Well, we got them stripped down.
Yeah.
There's nothing left hard part wise.
All done skis. It's as simple as that, guys. Takes 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah, when you're at the very end.
Not too bad.
You know, a couple things were a little loose though.
Yeah, your rear axle nuts were pretty bad.
Yeah, those were a little loose. That's a little.
So make sure you guys keep a check on those, because we've never messed with the rears on this car. Who put your rear axles on?
Cody did. He put those all.
But a long ass time ago.
Yeah, like over a year ago now.
Yeah, so I guess we ought to pay more attention to that, huh?
I'd say we need to just like every couple hundred miles probably pop off the tires and check them.
Yeah. Only bitchy part about that is those stupid cotter pins, man. Yeah.
We need to try and see if we can get better ones of those.
Yeah, they make nicer ones than
Yeah, 'cause
those
those ones
crappy
suck.
stock ones.
But I mean, we got everything torn apart. We got everything sort of half-ass organized. Everything's bagged and sort of labeled. Bagged, labeled, and separated. Unless, you know, Jake's tearing your car apart and then he just throws all the plastic shit in one big pile over on the other side of the garage. Oh, Jake.
But it's ready for powder, everything is.
Yeah, we're good to go, man.
These machines are gonna be looking pretty stylish when we're done, guys.
this all?
Because he had to take it off to get to the A-arm bolts, the front.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, and then there was bolts down there that we didn't.
Yeah, we gotta put on the shock tower ones. I'm a dummy and spaced on that.
I'm gonna leave that like that so that we
Yeah.
remember. Because I guarantee you, in that box, it still has all the leftovers from the front end.
Yeah,
They're gotta be in there.
Yeah.
But these things are definitely gonna be getting a facelift.
Yeah,
That's for
much
sure.
needed, especially on this one. But
Yeah, Seabreeze was. I mean, no, it was just kind of a boring.
it was a stocky.
Yeah, she was still stock.
But that's gonna mark it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching and spending the time with us to see what we actually do around here. Hopefully we can do something that helps you guys out. And if you guys ever end up doing powder or anything like that,
Anything like that, yeah.
you'll have an idea of how to do it
Especially
now.
if you're in the Northern California area, because the guys that do stuff for us are up in Vacaville. And they do great stuff. They're just, they're up in Vacaville, so it kind of is what it is.
Got to drive, but it's worth it. So that marks the end of this one. There'll be another video with us putting everything back together so we can show you the reverse. Thank you, everybody.